Friends, there is a surprising turn in the story when Sehan sees Ilham and think of him as Alif. He hugged Ilham in emotion, but Ilham immediately slapped him and say in anger that he is responsible for Alif's death. Hearing this, Sehan is shocked and falls unconscious. Ilham gets scared. Meanwhile, Qazi Yusuf and Zikriya also reach there. Together, they rush Sehan to the hospital. After examining him, the doctor revealed that Sehan is fallen into a coma. The heartbreaking news leaves Qazi Yusuf devastated and he desperately begs Ilham to save his son. Ilham enters Sehan hospital room, hold his hand and gently called out to him. Sehan briefly regains consciousness but rapidly keep calling Alif's name. Seeing his fragile condition, Ilham is forced to tell him that she is Alif. For more informational videos, please subscribe my channel. If you doesn't subscribe my channel, then do it. Hearing the brings Sehan a scene of peace and the doctor give him medication to help in rest. At that moment, Ilham receives a phone call from Aurangzeb, who asked her to come in Karachi so they can uncover the truth behind Alif's death. After arriving in Karachi, Ilham and Aurangzeb arranged for Alif's grave to be exhumed so that a post-mortem examination can be conducted. As soon as the report is released, everyone is left stunned. The doctor reveals that Alif did not die by suicide. Instead, she was murdered by strangulation. Learning this horrifying truth, Ilham breaks down emotionally, but she refused to give up. She immediately requests the police to reopen the investigation. During this time, Ilham received the news that Sehan has regained consciousness. She rushed back to the hospital where the overhears Qazi Yusuf telling Zikriya that his name must never be mentioned under any circumstance. After telling Sehan the entire truth, she revealed that she is Ilham, not Alif, and that the post-mortem has confirmed Alif murdered. After learning the truth, Sehan confronts Qazi Yusuf. Qazi Yusuf tried to defend himself, claiming that he did everything to save his son's life, but Sehan refused to accept any excuse. Soon the police arrived and arrested Ghazi Yusuf on charge of Alif murdered. Following this event, Sehan returned to Turkey with Ilham. There he finally expressed his true feeling and proposed marriage to her. Now the biggest question remains, will Ilham affect Sehan's love, or will the story take yet another unexpected turn? For more interesting video, subscribe my channel.